When it comes to no-code app building, two names stand out. It's Google and it's Microsoft, with AppSheet versus PowerApps. Both promise easy app creation without coding, but they serve slightly different users. AppSheet integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace and Sheets, making it great for small to mid-sized teams that want lightweight business apps. You can quickly build tools for inventory, project tracking, or workflows directly from spreadsheets. Pricing starts affordable, which is around $5 a month. Scaling up with enterprise needs. Users love the simplicity, but some say customization can be limited and the UI feels basic. Now, as far as PowerApps, on the other hand, it's built into the Microsoft ecosystem, perfect for companies already on Office 365 or using Dynamics. It shines in enterprise settings, connecting easily to SharePoint, Teams, and hundreds of third-party connectors. The drag-and-drop designer is more powerful, and you can even extend apps with Pro Code if needed. But pricing is steeper, starting around $20 a month per user, and many users note that it can feel complex to learn. So, which one wins? I'd say that if you're a small business that runs on Google Workspace and needs quick, functional apps, then AppSheet is the faster, cheaper option. But if you're in a Microsoft-heavy environment and need deeper integrations and scalability, then PowerApps is the clear choice.